In conclusion, we've now worked through every menu and covered all the basics in Microsoft Word so that you'd be able to create a document, lay it out, print it, and then save it either as a document or PDF. You should now be able to create references any place in your document. You should now be able to review and correct your document for spelling and grammar, and then be able to collaborate with others in marking the document up. You should be able to manipulate the document's view so that you'll be able to correct it and add to it successfully. And you should be able to insert links, blank pages, page breaks, and references. You should also now be able to work with styles and keep them consistent throughout your document. And you now know how to track those changes in your navigational menu. You can now even use the integration between Microsoft Word and LinkedIn in order to create your resume. And you can use the Translate feature to translate your document into another language. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.